finally made it. Really windy out here. Hello there, family, friends, and viewers from across the world. Joey Drones is off the road for now. Just need some time off. First and foremost, let me congratulate all the ones that is putting the effort. There's a lot of people that's trying to get their CDL license, asking me questions, you know, about getting the CLP, the CDLs. It's an awesome feeling, man. Once you get that CDL, man, you'll be fine, man. Let me say that I don't normally take vacation or time off. I always stick to, you know, I always try to keep my agenda busy. You know, when it comes to working, I do not take off. And when I do take off, you know, I try to go as far as I can and go and have fun. Right now, I am in Miami, Florida. We just came out here, you know, a small hotel down South Beach, and we're at the Miami Beach. It's beautiful here, man. I just came in to see what it looks like. It's the first time me being here. The sand right now is really hot, so I just came here to test it. I'm with my wife, family. Wow, look at them. Look at that beautiful water. Beautiful. Those 5 feet there?
Huh?
Look at that water. Is it cold? No, it's warm. Water is warm. It's real sunny. It's about 90 degrees out here. But yeah, send me an email. You guys can contact me. Actually, there's a couple of students that called me. You know, they hit me up. You know, if you call me now, just leave me a voicemail and I'll get back to you later. I just got stuff on my arm. But yeah, this is beautiful. I just came here to see what it looks like, to test it out first. Yep. The water's crystal clear. Wow. I'm loving this. Yeah, I'm gonna keep filming. I'll keep you guys posted. You guys, God bless. Be safe out there and keep safe and stay masked. All right, my people. I love y'all. God bless y'all. I'll talk to you. I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Be safely there.